Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Write a C++ program to find area and circumference of a circle. Today I am going to explain the second lab program. The program is write a C++ program to find the area and circumference of a circle. So first let us see the algorithm. As you all know, algorithm is all about the input, logical part, output, lastly stop. So in this program, in the question we can see we have to find the area and circumference. So let us see the input. The input will be the radius. Why it is radius, I'll tell you in the next step. Area is equal to pi into radius. So in this formula you can see the radius. Mainly to find the area as well as circumference of a circle, we need a radius. So we have to give an input for the radius. The next formula is circumference. To find the circumference, the formula is 2 into pi into radius. So pi is nothing but 3.14 in both the formulas. So these two will be the formulas. Lastly, the output. What we are going to find? Area and circumference. So this will be the output. Output, area and circumference. Here short form circum. Lastly, stop. Let us go to the flowchart. So in this flowchart, start and stop will be in the oval symbol. Input, as you all know, the algorithm input radius. In the parallelogram you are going to write input radius. Next comes the logical part. In rectangular box you are going to write the formula. Next is the output. Output will be area and circumference. So output, area and circumference. Lastly, stop. So next will be the arrow mark. You have to write the arrow mark. Without this arrow mark, the flowchart is not right. So next comes the program. So in this program, first 3 lines will be your header files. iostream.h is used because of cout and cin. iomanipulate.h is used for endl and setw. So in this program we don't have setw, only for endl. conio.h is used for clr, scr, that is clear screen and getch. Next comes the void main. The main program starts from this void main. Void is nothing but null. So next comes the declaration part. In this declaration part, you can see here the float. Data type is float. Why it is float? Because whatever the radius you give, but you can see here the formula, that is 3.14. Point is nothing but a floating point number. So whatever the radius might be, 2, 3, 4, any number which is multiplied by the point, decimal point, will be of floating point number. So all the variables will be declared under float: radius, area and circumference. Then comes the CLR, SR. Then the next step is giving the value. So cout, enter the radius. You can see the output here. Enter the radius. This line will be printed here. You are going to give an input, cin radius. So in this line you are going to input the value, that is 3.14 according to this input. So next, area is equal to 3.14 into radius will be 5.5 into radius will be 5.5. Totally whatever the things you multiply, this total 3.14 into 5.5 into 5.5 will be the area. Here you can see after calculating 95.04 will be stored in area. Next comes the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 into 3.14 into radius. Radius is 5.5. This will be multiplied and stored in circumference. So the value is 34.56 will be stored in circumference. So now we have area, we have circumference. Now we need to print this area as well as circumference. So to print the values of this, you are using a cout statement, cout statement. So cout area is equal to, this is your variable area. So inside this you have the value 95.04. So this line will print area is equal to the value of this. What is the value of this area is 95.04. So that will be printed here. The next cout statement. Circumference is equal to circum. So circumference is equal to circum. Whatever the value calculated here will be stored in circum. That will be printed in this cout statement. Until it comes to the next line. So in next line, cursor will be waiting. Once when you press any key from the keyboard, it comes out of the output screen. This is all about the program. So it is very simple to find area and circumference. Once you know why it is used, then all is okay. It's a very easy program. Thank you.